Hey guys, so today we are unboxing an old Apple product. I just unboxed an iPhone 5C, and they actually came out at the same time. So even though the iPhone 5C and 5S came out at the same time, the 5C still had the specs of the original 5. It was just basically a budget version, almost like an iPhone SE. Well, closer to an iPhone XR. So we have our paper. We have our packing slip. We have our phone, more paper, that's a lot of material. Then inside of here, we have our phone. So this was listed for parts, but it said it was just because it had a cracked screen. And also, the memories are coming back, ooh. So I never had this phone, my neighbor had it, and I remember I really wanted an iPhone 5S. This was when I really first got into Apple. This is the phone that was out at the time. I remember seeing this at Best Buy when it came out. Yeah, wow. And I love the design of it. I went to 3D. That was the first thing I ever 3D printed, was at my local library. They had a 3D printer. So yeah, it's gold. I love the Touch ID. Oh, and it just feels so good. Little bits of glass there. This was a very interesting design. So it said it was for parts because it was cracked. I don't see a crack. It says the battery's dead, unsurprisingly. I will unplug this iPhone 5C and plug in this iPhone 5S. The good old headphone jack. I loved this gold color. If this is how the gold still looked on iPhones, I might buy a gold iPhone again. I don't know. I was obsessed with the gold for some reason. Now every Apple, and my first iPhone was gold, but now every Apple product I buy is silver. This also has an AT&T SIM in it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get.
There we go. Press home button to open. Oh goodness. Wow. Goodness. They said for parts. I don't think they ever tested it though, because it's not password locked, but it has every single one of this person's information. Oh my god. So like it has their apps. This was at some point, well, it's definitely a parent's phone, maybe a kid's phone, because there's a lot of kids' games on it. So let's put a reminder. Duolingo. Oh my god, it's an old version of Duolingo. It says you're not connected to the internet. And it has someone's Duolingo. Oh my god. They were learning Spanish. That's interesting. And 518 photos. Not to mention, it's also like, it has someone's Instagram and stuff. Guys, don't do this. Don't, make sure to reset your phone when you donate it. Oh my gosh. I am going to reset this phone. Before I do, what version is it on? Let's see. So I want to say it's supported all the way up to iOS 16. So it's on iOS 12. I want to say it came with iOS 17. Reset. Erase all content and settings. Erase now. I'm not going to finish uploading. I'm sorry. Oh no. You have to log into this person's Apple ID to reset this. That seems like a design flaw. I have to connect to the Wi-Fi to be able to sign out. Well, if your name is Rosemary and you recently donated an iPhone, that was a mistake. No, I don't want to. Don't make me log into her account to reset. I don't know what your information is, ma'am. Oh, it's weird seeing CarPlay available on here. Okay, good. Her trusted phone number was her own phone number. Also, it's weird seeing an iPhone with a notch on this iPhone. Continue on your other Apple device, looking for notifications sent to your other Apple device. What if I just texted it to her? Oh my god. Can't use this number. Start account recovery. I don't want to like mess up her account. I'll send a code to her. How am I going to get this code? Another bad part about this is like I have all the locations from where these photos were taken, including like her house. Again, I'm not doing anything bad, I'm deleting everything. But like, no, stop. There are also all these shared albums. What if I just added a picture of myself there? That would be so bad. Oh, her private tabs. Oh gosh. You know what, let me also turn off Find My, because I don't want her knowing my location. Hold on. I need the password to turn it off. I don't want her checking my location. Yeah, so it looks like she used this phone all the way up until April 2021. It's getting very warm too. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!